Hi friends, I've made a community post on YouTube about this, but I didn't realise YouTube doesn't notify you when community posts get made. So I'm making this little video announcement to get the word out. I've just finished editing part 4 of the Lost PLA Bronze Moon series, and in it I finish off the little hollow moon. And here it is. It's a really lovely thing, so I'm going to give it away in the first channel giveaway. I've gone through all your names in the comments, and the draw for the winner of this moon is in the part 4 video, which will be released later today. So one of you has won this lovely little thing. As this giveaway is a new kind of thing for the channel, I'm going to try the new Premiere option on YouTube. So if you'd like to see if you've won this moon, tune in at 7 PM UK time to watch it with me live today on this channel. If you're unsure when 7 PM UK time is, there's a link in the description to tell you when that is for your time zone. Hopefully you can make it. If not, it'll just be me and Molly watching. It's funny because it's true. I'll put a link to the premiere as a card up here and a link in the description too. Please come and watch it with me live tonight. If we get more than 2 people watching live, that would be so cool. PS, Molly makes an appearance and does some awesome tricks. Well, she does some tricks, and it's well worth it for that. Bye. Oh, sorry, Molly. Bye. You get a peanut.